Welcome back, my friends, and happy Good Friday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I hope if you're celebrating the holiday weekend and Easter Monday ahead, that you have a fabulous time with your friends and family. But today's job lead is from the pharmacy and healthcare company and retailer CVS Health. They are hiring a test claim specialist. Now, this is remote within the United States. Of course, if you're interested in putting that application in, the links to this page will be in the YouTube description box below this video. But basically, as a test claim specialist, you'll be responsible for reviewing claims run by their automated system and running those claims through a manual test claim system, which is CE 2000 system, to confirm drug authorizations that are needed and provide estimated copays for their pending patients. So you might also be responsible for obtaining authorizations for both new and existing patients. That's going to allow CVS to process timely prescription orders while demonstrating great customer service to the insurance carriers, patients, and referrals. So this position is going to require an understanding of insurance carriers and concepts, including drug cards and major medical benefits. Now, it does note this is a full-time permanent position. They are looking for someone to work an 8-hour shift. They're open from Monday through Friday with the hours between 8:30 a.m. and 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. And so they're looking for someone to be able to work various shifts during those hours. But it says this position is 100% remote from anywhere in the United States. So it does not look like they have any state restrictions. Now, they are paying anywhere from $17 an hour all the way up to $27.90 an hour for this role. They're not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, but they are looking for somebody who has 1 year of experience working in some kind of healthcare environment, someone who has previous experience with prior authorizations, knowledge of insurance companies like Medicare, Medicaid, a great multitasker, and a great problem solver. And of course, you've got to know how to use Microsoft Office like Word, Excel, Outlook, all of the things. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.